I ain't worth more than the thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't want.
Ayo, what is Gucci Nay gang? If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell down below so that way you are notified every single time I upload a video. And if you are back, welcome back. So I am cleaning my tubes today, my lip gloss tubes. So I have my wand tubes, I have my squeeze tubes, and I also have my lip oil tubes. So I will be cleaning all of those. And y'all, I went to the dollar store yesterday and I finally found some antibacterial soap. So I'll be using this to clean up my tubes along with some other soap, but I will tell you all of that when I get in the voiceover portion. So make sure that you watch to the end, and I will see you guys then, and enjoy the music. Bye guys. Alright y'all, so first things first, you want to make sure that you have some nice hot water. Like for me, I like my water super hot because I can bear it. But yeah, so those are my squeeze tubes that I have, and I'm just dropping the tubes, the caps, and the stoppers slash tops, whatever you want to call them. That is the antibacterial soap I told y'all about, and then I'm just using some regular soap for degreasing and whatnot, and I'm gonna just stir that around and let that soak. And I let my tubes soak for 7 minutes each or more. I think it was like 10. So these are my lip oil containers now, and you will see my lip oil containers and also my what are those? My wand tubes, yeah. So you'll see my wand tubes and my lip oil tubes and the tops and the stoppers for all that. I'm going into there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the antibacterial soap, I'm going to put the regular soap, and I'm going to just mix it together, and I let everything sit for 10 minutes. I say about 10-15 minutes would be good. You may do less time than that, but I normally do like 10-15. So I just did that, and I let everything just soak and all that. Also, I just want to apologize in advance for my lighting, because it was light, but it was getting dark, and I needed to do this video, so the lighting may look bad throughout the video, but that's just because it was getting dark and there's not much light in my kitchen. So I just want to apologize for that in advance. Besides that, enjoy the video. You feel me?
We Vino got the tracks, man.
So a tip I want to give y'all is make sure when you're doing this, especially if you have a sink that has like a large hole at the bottom of it, make sure you put a stopper in there, because at first I didn't have that, but I realized I needed it, and it made things so much easier, especially if you drop like the little things, you'll know exactly what's where and whatnot. But yeah, now I'm just pouring out all the soapy water and putting just regular water in the tubes and just rinsing everything off. So this is a tedious process, but I promise y'all it is worth it. So that's all I'm doing right now, and yeah, I will come back when I have something else for you guys, because right now it's just pretty repetitive and it just takes time. But make sure you also get all the soap out of everything. So just run hot water through everything for a good like minute, and until all the soap comes out, then you'll be good. So here I am just taking all of my rinsed off tubes and I'm just placing them in a certain way. I normally try to place my tubes sideways, so that way all the water can be out and there's no excess water, because I feel like when you just stand them up, that water gets trapped into there. But if you lay them on the side, then there won't be any water trapped. So that's what I do, and that's all I'm doing in this clip. And I think that'll be all for this part of the voiceover, because it's pretty repetitive after that. So I will come back either in another part where I have to say more, or I'll see y'all when I get back into my room. So till then, enjoy the rest of the video.
Boy, Vino got the tracks, man.
So here I'm just separating the bottoms, tops, and the caps. So in the little bucket, as I don't know if this is it, but yeah, in this bucket right here, I'm placing all the tops, the caps, and the stoppers to all of my tubes and whatnot in one bucket, and then the other bucket has all the bottoms and everything to all my other tubes. So that's just what I do. You don't have to do that, but I feel like it's good when it's separated, so that way it has more room to dry. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I just got done cleaning my tubes, tops, and everything. So, move this out the way. Well, I'm going to show you. So, in this one, I have all the bottoms and whatnot. So, these are my lip oil containers, my squeeze tubes, and my wand tubes. And I have 100 more wand tubes on the way. So that will be fun to clean. Those are my bottoms of my tubes. And I just put paper towels over it so that way nothing will get in it. I mean, nothing shouldn't get in it. I'm the only one that comes in this room for the most part, but still. And then all these are the tops, caps, and stoppers for all my containers. So right there. So yeah, that should be it. I'm hoping they should dry within a day or two, especially when I have them laid out. They should be dried within a day or so, and then after that I can start putting product in it, which I am so excited about. Whew. It's going to be a very busy weekend. I didn't realize Mother's Day was this weekend, so gotta do stuff for that as well. So yeah, just use this and some regular Dawn to clean the tubes, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, any video recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and give me a like and smash that button because it helps me out a lot. And yeah, thank you so much and love you guys. Bye guys.
Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the draw.